Namaste, welcome to Sasreka's kitchen. Today I am making Purnalu or burelu with millets. For the stuffing I used split chickpeas and jaggery. For the outer covering I used urad dal and proso millets. I used proso millets instead of rice. They just taste the same. I took 1 cup of chana dal, washed and soaked for an hour. Chana dal is also called split chickpeas or Bengal gram. Cook the chana dal in the pressure cooker for 2 whistles, or you can cook in the instant pot. I am cooking in the instant pot for 10 minutes on pressure cook mode. For 1 cup of chana dal, I am using about 3 cups of water. Here I have 1 cup of proso millets and half a cup of urad dal soaked for 4 hours. Now I am going to grind it into a smooth batter. Here is the smooth and thick batter from 1 cup of proso millets and half a cup of urad dal. I will keep this aside for now. It is a good idea to make the batter a couple of hours before. Cover it and keep aside for now. Chana dal has been cooked well. I am going to drain the water. Here you can see the chana dal is perfectly cooked. With this water we can make rasam or sambar, or you can use this water to make soups also. Today I will make rasam with this water, and I will share the video also. Taking the chana dal into a wide bowl and mashing it with a potato masher. You can actually put it in the food processor and grind it into a fine powder, but I like it this way, little chunky, so I am just mashing it with the masher. So you can do either way. I will keep this aside for now. In a skillet, I took about 2 tablespoons of water and adding 1 cup of jaggery. For a rich taste, you can take 2 more tablespoons of jaggery. I am melting the jaggery and cooking it until it becomes foamy. I am not really looking for syrup. The jaggery became foamy. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom powder and the ground chana dal powder. Mix them well. Keep stirring it until it thickens. At this point I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. It gives nice taste. If you want to keep the recipe vegan, you can skip adding the ghee. You can notice that it started thickening. It is thick enough when you can make a small ball out of this dough. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. After cooling, it is easy to make small balls. This is going to be the stuffing for Purnalu, the dish that we are making today. You can make the bigger balls if you want, but I usually make the smaller ones, so it is easy to make, and also you don't have to boil too much oil for frying. This stuffing should be tight. If it is loose, it is going to leak out when we are frying. I am heating some coconut oil to deep fry Purnam burelu. While the oil is heating, I am going to add some salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar in my batter for outer covering. This little bit of sugar will give some taste for the outer covering, otherwise it will be bland. This batter should be thick so that we can get good covering for the Purnalu. Put a drop of batter in the oil to see if the batter is ready. If it comes up quick, the oil is ready. So take a stuffing ball and dip it in the batter completely and drop it in the oil slowly and carefully. Don't move them until you see the redness around the bure. Now they are slowly changing the color. You can see the redness around. Now it is time to flip them over. When they are golden brown on both sides, transfer them onto a paper napkin by draining out the oil. Continue the process with the remaining batter and the stuffing balls. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give me your feedback when you make. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.